Now let's create a tour package. Remember how I mentioned under your services and rates that tour packages are priced separately? This is what we will be doing right now. Click Tour Packages on the left and simply create a tour. This will take you to the screen where you can add one photograph, name your tour, introduce and highlights, your itinerary. Please don't forget to mention what is included and excluded to avoid any misunderstandings with the clients at a later point. Here you may indicate what the minimum group size is, for example 2, and the maximum, for example 8, 10, 12, as you see fit. You can indicate a number of days and number of nights, and then of course the cost per person in US dollars. If you wish to add a single supplement for travelers traveling alone, click here, add single supplement rate per person in US dollars, and then of course select location. If you click this will show the locations that you have added to your profile. If you wish to offer a tour in a different location than these, please make sure that you add that particular location on your profile and it will then show up here. Of course, here again, we have to toggle show in profile or show not in profile. If you do not wish to show it, for example, because you are temporarily not offering the tour, you can simply click do not show, and then you can reactivate it later on if you wish. At the bottom, simply click create tour, and it will show up on your profile page.